Bones play many roles in the body, providing structure, protecting organs, anchoring muscles and storing calcium. While it's important to build strong and healthy bones during childhood and adolescence, due to weak bones, there are problems like joint pain, arthritis, etc. Although bone problems start occurring with increasing age, nowadays people's bones have started becoming weak at an early age. The biggest reason for this is wrong eating habits. What we eat affects our body. If we eat well, then our body will also remain healthy. Many times we start consuming such food items, which after some time harm the body, due to which the bones start becoming weak. Actually, unknowingly we eat some such foods which weaken our bones, so let us know which are the foods which cause damage to our bones. Soft drinks are not good for health. It plays a good role in fracturing bones, as it is rich in phosphoric acid which absorbs calcium from body. Fresh fruit juice and milk is more beneficial than soft drinks. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirms it too. If drinking cola is a part of your lifestyle, then you are at a higher risk of developing bone-related disorders. Sweet or sugary things. Another food which can be called as poison for bones is sugar. If you eat anything in excess, it has adverse effects on your health. Similarly, excessive consumption of sugar is considered very harmful for health. Nowadays, sugar is added to every canned or packaged food item, which causes great harm to the body, leading to bone breakage and reduction in bone density. Limit salt intake. Salt has a high dose of sodium content, and consuming excessive salt weakens bones. Salt should always be consumed in limited quantities. Most of the people like to eat processed and fast food, which contains high amount of salt, which later leads to serious diseases like osteoporosis. Salt leads to greater excretion of calcium in the kidneys, and that's not a good sign at all. A study conducted by the Asia Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition observed that those who eat more salt have lower bone density than those who consume no to little salt. According to the American Heart Association, a healthy person must consume less than 3.75 g of salt in a day. Iron-rich foods. Iron is beneficial for health, but its excessive consumption is harmful for bones. Excess iron in the body hinders absorption of calcium, due to which the bones become weak. Alcohol. Consuming excess alcohol damages bone health. Alcohol restricts the function of the bone-developing cell called osteoblasts, because of which calcium does not properly get absorbed by bones. Further, it delays the healing process, in case you suffer from a fracture. Drinking too much also affects pancreas and liver and their absorption of bone-building minerals and vitamins like calcium and vitamin D. Coffee. If you are a heavy coffee drinker, then avoid too much coffee. Coffee has caffeine which can affect calcium absorption. According to study published in BMC Musculoskeletal Disorders, excess caffeine consumption can lead to low bone density and weak bones in women who have just gone through menopause.